Mr. Desmond, thank you for joining. Please unmute yourself. Where are you from, please?
Yeah, from Enugu State.
All right, thank you so much. All right, let's talk about it. What are your thoughts? Biafra, scam or struggle?
It's a struggle.
All right.
It's a destiny.
All right, it's a struggle. But do you think it's a scam or not? So that we would know how to structure the conversation as well.
I already said it's a struggle. I chose struggle,
so you don't think it's a scam?
Yep.
All right, let's talk about the struggle then we'll come back to this the scam. Why do you think it's a struggle?
It's a struggle because a particular sect in a large group have seen that this particular creation that was made centuries, years ago isn't working out. And they said they want to go. This creation is no longer working out for anybody here.
Okay.
And they want to go and do their stuff.
All right, let me ask you, right? I think it sounds simple. It sounds simple, but something that's simple might not be easy. There's a difference. And if something, if something, if you feel like something is not working for you, right? You have issues, and this is a country. This is not just something. You have issues in the country. Why is your next resolve to want to pull out, want to leave?
I want to pull out. I said it exactly. It's a sect. It's a group of people who have found
it's not a
that
sect. A sect is more of like some sort of religion, ideology. It's not. Nigeria is not a sect.
No,
Igbo is not a sect.
It's a segregation.
Sect and segregation.
Sect.
No, it's also not segregation either.
Segregation, they're not even synonymous. So
I will call it a sect. Personally, I will call it a sect.
Don't personally call it. Facts matter on this stage. Sect is a specific thing. If you learn that would be. I can hear you. You can also hear me. It is not a sect. Igbo people are not a sect. It is a correction. Take it. It doesn't mean that you're any less of.
We are a group.
Group better.
Now here's exactly what I'm saying. The creation itself is not working out, obviously, to each and every one of us.
And when you say creation, you mean
the reason
Nigeria,
why
right?
Nigeria was created in the first place.
When you say creation, you mean Nigeria, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's not working, okay?
Yes, exactly.
Go ahead. I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, okay.
Continue now. Now, when
it's not working. And
let me now ask you again. It
Igbos,
seems like that's where you want to pause your argument. If it's not working, let me ask you the question that I asked you earlier. If something is not working, if Nigeria is not working, why is your next resolve to want to break out?
Let me land. I was trying to say something. No, it's not working firstly because the reason or why this creation was made in the first place was not for its progress.
How
Nigeria
so?
was obviously sold.
How do you come up with that?
How do you come up with that? Whom you said he amalgamated the southern and the eastern protectorates.
Mr. Desmond, is it your network? Abi, you don't hear me talking.
What was the reason why Nigeria was created in the first place?
All right. Make una network.
It's factual. Nigeria was sold in Nigeria.
Yeah, I think his network has issues.
So it's his network. So let me tell you something specific, and I don't think you want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste my time. There's nobody on this stage, particularly not Kachi. I don't know about anybody else, Kachi and I, who do not know about the amalgamation. In fact, I could write a thesis on the amalgamation from memory alone. Okay, so we know what the amalgamation is. I know what you guys are trying to do. You think you can sort of push us so that we cannot talk about. In the past 26 years, nobody should come here now and talk about amalgamation anymore. We have understood, okay? Amalgamation happened in 1914. Not centuries times ago, it happened in 1914, okay? 1960, then 1967. All those dates, we've established it. As you're coming to the point, you guys really you want to start a war with Nigeria, you want us to believe in something, and you can't even focus on the struggle that you remember. Anybody who's on this stage who's a millennial, 26 years ago, you were either a teenager or you were at least a minor. So focus in the past 26 years, 1999 to now. Scam or struggle? You say it's a struggle. Don't come here and tell me that it was the British company that amalgamated it. You did not read as many books as I have read. So I want you to here. Can I help with this thing? Because this is what we will do now. We'll waste the next 2 hours just going about amalgamation and centuries ago. What do you know is a sect and a century? You don't even have a grasp of what you're talking about. So, Mr. Jazzy, we welcome you. Thank you for your patience and thank you for being here. The conversation that we are having is Biafra, scam or struggle. This was informed specifically by the Biafra agitation that is happening, that has been occurring for the past 26 years, from Wazirike to Kano to Ekpa to Ngozi to Umwekwensu to Umuchineke to Mojo Hanine, all of the factions. It doesn't matter which one. You can speak from any of those areas if you want. Do you think that Biafra, as we know it, or as it once was, or as it has ever been, is a scam or struggle? Thank you.